So in this video today, I'm going to be making two floral arrangements with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Come along with me, guys. So as we're decorating here for the fall, there's many things that still need to be done. And so I'm using one of these little floral boxes that I got at Dollar Tree. I'm really liking this. It took me a little while to get used to it, but we're gonna go ahead and put some accents of fall in there, and then we will be done with this portion of the project. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. And those I will be linking below in the description box. So now I'm sticking some greenery in here, and you have like 6 openings in here. So inside of the box, I put some moss. So I am trying to put some yellow florals in here before I stick the only sunflowers that I have left in my stash. So, and then we're also putting some greenery in there. So this is going to be nice and full, guys. And it's going to look absolutely amazing as an accent piece anywhere in your home. Now I also found in my stash these beautiful little yellow florals. I'm not really sure what they're called, but they pop right out of the box there. You could see them, and it just brightens up an area, and especially those sunflowers. So I'm really excited about this piece. Now this, as I said before, you can place this as an accent piece anywhere in your home. And so I'm not really sure where I'm going to place it yet, but I think this came out absolutely beautiful. So let's move on to the second arrangement. Now, here I am using different color florals, and I'm also using a Dollar Tree vase. So these florals I did have in my stash, and I'm noticing people using a lot of purple. So I decided to go ahead and make a little arrangement with purple and then offset that with this nice plaid ribbon. So I'm really excited about this arrangement. So I can't wait for you to see how this turns out. So now I have that really nice pink little sunflowers right there. Aren't they absolutely beautiful? And so this will give it that little fall touch that we're looking for, yet a different color. So I'm kind of liking that. I'm just not sure where to put it, but I am kind of liking it. And I think this is going to be beautiful. Now that's the plaid ribbon I was talking about. So let's see what this looks like at the end. So what I did is after I made the bow, I just used a piece of jute twine just to tie it around the vase because I am going to be reusing this vase later on. But the plaid bow looks absolutely beautiful to me, and the purple florals, look how beautiful this looks, guys. And I think it's time to head on over to the reveal. So this will give it a pop of a different color that we're using now for the fall. The sunflowers are actually beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And that ribbon just ties everything together. It's a little bit different, but I think it's beautiful, guys. And then the sunflowers, you can just place that anywhere as well. I just have it set here right now just for the video. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.